Hello again to all of you. And this what this vid is about is me actually open up my heart to all of you. That's right, you heard it here yourselves. I'm actually finally gonna open up my heart to all of you. Because I know I haven't really done that at all. And even though I was a little scared to do it, but I won't be now because I'm actually doing it now. Yeah. So, also, I want to be a good friend to all of you lovely people out there, because I really want to be a good friend to all of you. I really do want to be, because I, I myself am a really good friend, and who is also a very loyal friend too. And I can also be very playful at times too. Yeah, I forgot to mention that about myself. Sorry if I haven't really said that at all yet. But that's right. I am indeed playful. Yes. And um I want to open up my heart to all of you because sorry everyone. I'm just trying to figure things out. Sorry. Um Excuse me. Please do excuse that. I don't mean to burp like that on camera. Sorry. Um, right. I just wanted to open up my heart to all of you, because I haven't really done that at all in any of my vids. I haven't, and I was a little scared to do so, and but I'm not gonna do that anymore. No, because I'm actually gonna do it now. Even though I'm trying my best to pour it out now. Yeah. I know you all love my beautiful smile. I know you all love it. And I am trying my best to do that a lot more often now. I'm trying. And I'm also trying to be a really good friend to all of you, because I really do want to be your friends. I really do want to be your friend, because I haven't really had a real friend in a long time. A very long time. And in fact, I never really had any true friends or a BFF. I never really had that when I was growing up. I never really did. Nope. And so that's the sad story about about me. Yep, when I was growing up. So, I really do hope that all of you are willing to have me to be a friend. And if so, please do give a comment, please. And thank you, because I really am wanting to be someone's friend. Even though I am like that already to Dane. I'm charred already. Yeah. Hi Dane. This is for you. this is your shadow for you for now. So, everyone, I'm trying my best to be myself, to show my feelings. I'm trying my best to do that, but it's a little hard for me to do that right now because I just can't really do that when I'm on camera because I just love having a camera on me at all times. I just love it because I'm really photogenic myself. And I always wanted to be on camera, honestly. I always wanted to be a celebrity. I always wanted to be. Even though I want to be a YouTube celebrity at some point in time. Yeah, I would love that a lot. So for now, I want to get over the 100,000 mark. So that way, I can be able to have a plaque from YouTube. So that way, I can be able to put it up, and I can be able to show you all, like, exactly where I will be putting it up. Yeah. Because it would be all you're doing. And I would love that a lot if you all could do that and to get me up to that amount. So please do that. Make my channel to grow up to that amount and beyond that. Because I would do something really awesome. Oh yeah, but I won't go crazy like blah. I won't do that. No. I did something awesome though. That's for sure though. The only thing I want to do is to be a friend. And I'm willing to do anything to start being your friend. Honestly. Because this is me being actually really, this is me being actually really being serious, actually. I really am. Because I really mean what I say right now. Because I mean it with all my heart. I pour my heart and soul into all of my vids. But whoever says that my vids are worthless, maybe, or whatever like that, I'm just gonna basically not gonna hear it. No. Because I'm too hard-headed. Because nobody can't crack me. I'm a fire typer from a Pokemon base. If you all know Pokemon, that is. But if you don't, that would be the next vid to teach you. If you all wanted to, if you all want me to teach you about that, though. And if so, give a comment in the comment section below. So that way, I can teach you in the next vid, maybe. But still, do give your comments, please. Because I love commenting to you, all of you. I love it a lot. I honestly really do love it a lot. And to me, you all are great people. You're all beautiful, pretty, gorgeous, handsome, and you're all stunning people too. Yeah. Even though I am gay myself, yes, because I am indeed a lesbian, yes. That I can definitely can say in confidence. Plus, I am also a transgender. Yep. Because I am indeed a female. Yep. But whoever is saying that, whoever is like saying the male pronouns on my like in my YouTube channel, please stop calling me as the male pronouns. Please stop that. And just call me with the female pronouns, please. Because I am indeed a female. And I am gonna change my appearance. But it will change over time, okay? So I'm sorry that I don't look like one now. But over time I will be. Yeah. So I do hope that you all do understand where I'm coming from. And what I'm getting at too. Because you're all lovely. All of you. Because I mean what I am saying. I really do mean it. Honestly. Because this is the vid. This is the very vid where I am actually opening up my heart to all of you. Because I just want to show that off. To show you how much I love you all. As a friend, for now. So, for whoever has made it up to this point, thank you for staying glued. So, I'll see you in all the next vids. In the next coming vids. I'll see you all then. So, until then, peace. And also, love yourselves. It's not hard. Also, change yourselves too, as well, while you're at it. Thank you for doing so, and bye for now. That's Sophie's brand. That's Sophie's branding original. Hey, come on. Stupid thing. Sorry everyone, I don't mean to say it like that. I'm just trying to close this vid.